In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson WorkForce WF-2520 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux-based desktop, laptop, or tablet PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-2520 support. You want to search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson WorkForce WF-2520. Go ahead and open that up. And now you just want to scroll down underneath downloads and click the drop down next to operating system and select your correct version of either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package and the download button that corresponds to it. And once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin running or extracting the contents of that file. And it should be a verified publisher. Select yes, and then you can close out of the web browser. Select OK to continue for the WorkForce WF-2520 driver and utility combo package. And then just let this finish extracting. There'll be options to go customize your software, whether you want to have optional features enabled or disabled, as well as the type of connection type you want between your device and the printer. So for example, if you want a wired or wireless based printer, basically. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.